Hi, my name is Mike Mayer, owner of My Hearing Loop in Platteville, Wisconsin. Hearing loops are an amazing new form of hearing assistance. When a person speaks into a microphone, the sound of their voice goes into a magnetic field in a room. The audio connects wirelessly with hearing aids or cochlear implants. Better yet, annoying background noise is greatly diminished or eliminated entirely.
Adds greatly to the church services here and the ability to hear. I also have a cochlear implant and it will come through that system too. I know that it means a lot to certain older people, or generally that people who have profound loss like I do. And it's just a difference of day and night as far as understanding the quality of speech.
My Hearing Loop certifies your installation to meet a critical global standard. Wherever you travel around the globe, look for the ear logo sign with a capital T. Please call us or visit our website today to learn more.